Detective Michael Carpenter at the Bradenton Police Department now carries a new tool.
Push the button, you get a blue light. Put it into the device.
A green light means this credit card reader is safe to use. But if it goes red,
that means there would be a skimming device located.
This gas station off of 12th Avenue East in Bradenton was clear of skimmers. But on the first day and first try of using the skimmer detector at another local convenience store, Detective Carpenter uncovered a criminal's work.
Until I got it about a quarter of the way off, I still thought I might be breaking the machine.
It was found at an in-store terminal and was placed on top of a credit card reader.
It looked just like the actual register that was at this gas station.
Through a grant funded by the FDLE, Bradenton Police Department's Financial Crimes and Elder Fraud Unit purchased the credit card skimming detection devices.
What we can do is detect these devices, remove them right away, and hopefully take the investigation from there.
Part of the grant will also allow for officers to work overtime and dedicate time to skimmer detection.
We're receiving money to do specialized enforcement and spend a day going out and looking for these credit card skimmers.
While there are other options like paying by phone or using Apple, Google, or Samsung Pay, Bradenton Police says this will protect those who still swipe to purchase.